Hello everyone, today we will be making this SolidWorks exercise 3.5 and all the necessary documents are below. So let's go with the parts. Then sketch, then top plane and sketch, and we will first draw 3 circles. So first 2 and the third circle in the middle to make that reference. So we will just go for constructions and this will make a reference 7. Let's go, let's give the dimensions 115, 80 and 32. So let's go. Now this part is done. We need to draw these 3 circles, small circles. What we will do is that we make a center line. Then select one more center line. Or the center line. What we will do is that we will make them 30 degrees apart. So let's go. As you can see in the sketch also. Now we will just add a circle at the midpoint of circle and the line. Okay, let's give it dimension 15 and now this part is done. So now as this is done, so what we will do is that we will go to circular sketch bracket, select the circle and drop it down to 3. Okay, now this is done. Everything is looking perfect now. Radius, okay. Okay, now this is done. So what we will do is that go to features, extrude. I'm extruded to 15. As you can see, it is a 15 now. So let's go. As this is done, you just select the plane, then go to sketch. Now we will mean that slot, all the 3 slots. So for that, we will do is center rectangle. Let's go. They'll select it. Make the center rectangle. Now we just need to define it. This part is, this line is 10 and here it is 8, as you can see in the sketch also. So let's go. This is done. So now what we will do is that we need to define it more. As you can see, it is not fully defined as all the lines are new. So let's go. We will just go to sketch. I add a center line and just draw it. Okay, now as you can see, it has run black, means it has been defined, fully defined. Now go to sketch. Now go to circular pattern again and then select this rectangle. Now do it for 3 and done. Let's go to extrude cut and through all. Okay, now our base is ready. Now we just need to add the colors. So for that, what we'll be choosing is that we will choosing brass. So let's go in the metal section, go to brass, select the brass color. Okay, now this is done. So now this is ready. So okay, bye, see you soon.